Hello everyone, I am Ashok. You are watching AI with Ashok. In this video, we are going to see about how to enable the dark mode for Jupyter Notebook, or in other words, we can say it as how to change the theme of our Jupyter Notebooks. So, without any delay, let's see how to do that. So, before that, let me create a Python environment for that. So, to create a Python environment, we are going to use Python 3 -m and our virtual environment library name and our environment name, which is going to be env. So if you want to create any environment in Ubuntu, or also I have made a video for that. I will also give the link of this video in this description and in the icon also. Please check that also. And so now our environment was created. Let me show that. So we have a folder with env. So let's activate this environment. To activate the environment, we have source env slash bin slash activate. So now we are activated our virtual environment. So so our environment was activated now. So to trigger our Jupyter notebook, we must install our Jupyter notebook first. So to install Jupyter notebook, we install Jupyter notebook. So this will install Jupyter notebook for us in our environment, which is created by us newly. So it will take some time to install Jupyter notebook in our system. So let's see how. So after installing this, I will trigger the Jupyter notebook for you in a default environment itself, and then I will show you how to change the theme of the Jupyter notebook by using another pip package. Yeah, it was installed now. So after installing Jupyter notebook, let me trigger the Jupyter notebook now. To trigger Jupyter notebook, we have to type Jupyter and then notebook. So this will open our Jupyter notebook in our default environment itself. So you can see that we have created our Jupyter notebook in the default environment. Let me create a notebook also here. So you can see that. So it was in our default environment. So you can default. So we have opened our Jupyter notebook in our default theme itself. So how to change the theme of this notebook? So for that we need to install another pip package, which is nothing but let me activate this environment here. So I have opened a new terminal here, and then I will activate this environment. Activate. So the package name is going to be pip install Jupyter theme. So this is going to be the name of the package. So let's install this. So now we have installed our Jupyter themes. Let me list you the number of packages, like number of themes available in this Jupyter theme, which is nothing but to list the themes available, you have to type jt-l. So it will list you the available themes, and you can use any themes here present here according to your wish. So let me change the theme to, let me show the help of this help. So it will give you the usage of this command. So now we are going to change the theme. So we are going to use jt and then -t and then theme name. So jt-t and the theme name is going to be Chestrish. So now I have changed the theme of the Jupyter notebook. Let me refresh this page. Yeah, you can see that we have changed the theme of our Jupyter notebook. Let me change to another one. We can use Monakai. So if we let me refresh this page, you can see that yeah, now the theme was changed to Monakai. And we can also use solarized DID also. Let's refresh this page now. Yeah, so we have changed the theme. So this is how we change the Jupyter notebook theme. Just a simple command, two simple command. First install pip install Jupyter themes, and then we can change the theme with this command, any command. And you can also list this command with jt-l. What if you want to reset the Jupyter theme to our default environment itself? So for that also we have a command which is nothing but -r. It will reset the Jupyter environment here. So to reset the Jupyter environment, we have to type jt-r, which will reset our Jupyter environment, which is like, as you all know, this is a web page, so it will basically contain a CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. That's it. So it will reset the default fonts and layers in the its original position, like where the CSS were written for this Jupyter notebook. So it will reset that. So this is what it done. So it reset the CSS and font defaults in our Jupyter, for our Jupyter. So if I refresh this page, it will come as default environment itself. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. I will see you in next video. Until then, bye. Thank you.